Hi guys, Morao here, aka the Lazy Makoti, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put two of my favorite things about Sunday lunch together for a fun twist. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing we're going to start with is our beautiful chicken, and to make that we need some butter as well as some beautiful paprika for color, and then some garlic for great flavor. Then I'm also gonna season with some salt and pepper. And then just in a bowl, we are gonna mix that together. And then I'm gonna use my clean hands to get that all over my chicken. I wanna get some underneath the skin. And now for part two of our dish, we're gonna get started on our savory rice. And today we're actually not making it from scratch. I'm gonna be using the Woolworths savory rice. And then to that, I'm also gonna add the diced vegetables. I'm gonna be using the avocado lemon flavored oil. And then we're just gonna wait for our oil to heat up. And then once it's nice and hot, we're gonna add our diced vegetables. And then next is my savory rice. I love that all the work is pretty much done for you. Now I'm just gonna season a little bit with some salt and pepper. It wouldn't be yellow rice without some turmeric. So just about a teaspoon of some turmeric. At this point, I'm happy with my rice. Remember that it is still gonna cook a little bit inside your chicken. So at this point, I'm gonna turn off my heat, and then in goes my coriander or whatever herb you like. And then we're gonna leave our rice to cool before we use it to stuff our chicken. And now we are gonna get started with stuffing our chicken and get as much rice as I can possibly get into there. So now we are gonna tie our chicken. Now our chicken is ready to go into a preheated oven for an hour. At the 30-minute mark, we're gonna check and then baste it a little bit and put it back into the oven until it's ready. And now, guess what's ready? Our beautiful chicken. So now I'm going to place my whole chicken onto some of that rice that we made earlier. And that is our chicken done. Time for my favorite part, the taste test. So I'm gonna cut myself a wing. Oh, that looks beautiful, succulent, and cooked through. Let's taste. I'm happy. I'm very happy.